Well, Makhetla, things on your side sound really hectic in the sense of Mayo case, and on our side things are hectic as well, but not for a case, but because the numbers of the COVID-19 cases in the metro are rising, and the Minister of Health, Dr Zweli Mkhize, today rounds off his 2-day visit to the metro. Yesterday he held an interesting meeting with various stakeholders from the Department of Health, trying to find out exactly what the problem areas are in terms of the hospitals and also the clinics. He then held a meeting with traditional leaders who are also expressing their griefs and also saying perhaps they should allow initiation schools to open in areas that are not infested with the virus. Today he's going to visit various hotspots that have been identified, and there he's going to have an awareness campaign where he's going to educate the public about the importance of adhering to COVID-19 regulations.
Right, Lerato, thank you very much indeed for coming on. Look, I just wanted to talk to you with regards to some of the findings that the Health Minister has seen or heard of on the ground. I mean, he spent a day there yesterday. What can we expect? We know that social gatherings have been identified as one of the so-called super spreader events. Tell us more in terms of what can we expect him to say when he addresses the issues of findings.
Yes, you're very much right, Blaine. Yesterday he did express that in the research that was done by members of environmental health, they picked up that taverns are super spreaders of the COVID-19 virus in the metro, and he did say that he's going to hold a meeting with tavern owners, and there is a proposal that was brought forward by the acting mayor, Chononobuye, where he has said that you'd like the curfew to go to 10 o'clock because he says when people are chased out of taverns because of a curfew at 12, he finds that people are saying they don't want to go home and they're hanging around the tavern up until 4 or 5 o'clock with no social distancing and also no masks. So we are aware that he's going to speak to tavern owners, and I'm sure you saw last week in the media, we saw certain taverns being closed down, especially those not adhering to COVID-19 regulations, and he has said he's going to really clamp down hard on social gatherings because he is aware that these areas are the areas that are causing the rapid spread of this virus in the metro. So he's going to visit hotspots, but above all, Blaine, he wants to go to taverns and speak to tavern owners and really beg them to make sure that they comply to COVID-19 regulations. So for now, let's go to Apumelele, who's also going to give you some news on her side of the story.
Okay, cool. Stand by.